Hello students, how are you? And in continuation, this is our third video of inverse trigonometric function. In this video, we will discuss or we will solve of exercise, miscellaneous exercise or miscellaneous example. Miscellaneous example number 12. In this, simplify tan inverse a cos x minus b sin x upon b cos x plus a sin x if a upon b tan x is greater than minus 1. Then a upon b tan x is greater than minus 1. Then transfer 1 in left side, a upon b tan x plus 1 is greater than 0. So a upon b LCM a tan x plus b greater than 0. It means our denominator will be in the form of a upon b tan x. So we will divide by b cos x to convert in this. So divide by b cos x in numerator and denominator. A cos x minus b sin x upon b cos x upon b cos x plus a sin x upon b cos x. So it becomes tan inverse a cos x upon b cos x, that is a upon b sin x upon b cos x, that is tan x, upon b cos x upon b cos x, that is 1, or plus a sin x upon b cos x, that is a upon b tan x. Now it becomes an identity. Tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus x into y. Tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy equals to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So it becomes tan inverse a upon b, that is x, minus tan inverse y means tan x. So tan inverse a upon b minus x. This is the simplest form of this. Now next, example number 13. Yes, example 13 is an easy question, simple question. Solve tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equal pi by 4. Tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x. So we use identity tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, which is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y upon 1 plus xy. So tan inverse 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus 2x into 3x, which is equals to this, equal pi by 4. Then transfer tan inverse, that is taking tan both sides, tan pi by 4, tan going is there, tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is 1. Now cross multiply 5x equal 1 minus 6x square, which is a quadratic equation, and factorize, then we will get 6x minus 1 x plus 1 equal 0, either x equal 1 by 6 or x equal minus 1. But in this question, x equal minus 1 will not satisfy the given question, but minus 1 does not satisfy the question minus 1. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर हम इसमें minus 1 पुट करेंगे तो लेफ्ट साइड नेगेटिव वैल्यू देगा, लेफ्ट साइड क्या होगा, नेगेटिव वैल्यू देगा, बट अपने पास राइट साइड क्या है, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू पाई बाई 4. सो x इक्वल माइनस 1 इज नॉट अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस. सो ओनली सॉल्यूशन इज x इक्वल 1 by 6. नाउ मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज. यस, नाउ मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज. मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 8 इजी क्वेश्चन है. 1 to 8 जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं वो इजी है, सिर्फ आइडेंटिटीज आपको यूज करनी है, न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू है, सिंप्लीफाई करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में हम देखते हैं कि आपको प्रूव दैट tan इनवर्स रूट एक्स इक्वल हाफ कोस इनवर्स 1 माइनस एक्स अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स. 1 माइनस एक्स अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स. All questions are dependent on identities. All questions are dependent on identities which have earlier we studied. जितनी भी आइडेंटिटीज हमने पढ़ी है, सिर्फ आपको उन आइडेंटिटीज को मैच करना है क्वेश्चन से. जैसे यहाँ पे 1 माइनस एक्स अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स, तो कौन सी आइडेंटिटी में मैच हो रहा है, किस टाइप का आइडेंटिटी बनता है. तो हमने ऐसी आइडेंटिटीज कुछ पढ़ी है, cos 2 थीटा sin 2 थीटा tan 2 थीटा इन फॉर्म ऑफ tan थीटा. cos 2 थीटा इज 1 माइनस tan स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर. sin 2 थीटा इज 2 tan थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा. tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Here in this case 1 minus x 1 plus x, that is 1 minus tan square 1 plus tan square. So we will let x equal tan square theta. X equal tan square theta. So let x equal tan square theta. So root x equal tan theta और theta equal tan inverse root x. तो ये वैल्यूज आपको यूज करनी है. So let x equal tan square theta. So put x equal tan square theta in right hand side. 1 minus tan square, 1 plus tan square. तो 1 माइनस टेन स्क्वायर 1 प्लस टेन स्क्वायर इज टेन कोस 2 थीटा, कोस 2 थीटा, कोस इनवर्स कोस कैंसिल, तो ओनली 2 थीटा, हाफ इंटू 2 थीटा, 2 कैंसिल थीटा, एंड थीटा इज tan inverse root x, which is our left hand side. Question number 10. It is an important question. Question number 10. Cot inverse root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x upon root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x equal, we have to prove x by 2. So since we know that 1 plus sin x, what is 1 plus sin x? 1 we can write 1 cos square plus sin square, and sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 means half angle. We convert it in half angle. So we have to take, here is also half angle, cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, not cos square x plus sin square. We have to take cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, so it becomes an identity. Cos square plus sin square plus 2 sin x cos x, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, that is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. So 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Therefore root 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Similarly, if we take here minus 1 minus sin x, then it here minus minus minus. So 1 minus sin x root is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now put the value of this 1 plus sin x and 1 minus sin x. 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. 1 minus sin x is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. In this sin x by 2 is cancelled, and in this cos x by 2 is cancelled. So numerator is cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2, 2 cos x by 2, and denominator is sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2, minus minus plus sin x 2 sin x by 2. Then 2 cancel out. Remaining part is cot inverse cos x by 2 by sin x by 2, that is cot x by 2. Cot x by 2. Now cot cancel equals to x by 2, which is our right hand side. We have to prove x by 2. Similarly, question number 11. Question number 11 is root 1 plus x. Here is root 1 plus x, root 1 minus x upon root 1 plus x or root 1 minus x, and here is tan inverse. So in this question we can it by two method. लेट एक्स इक्वल साइन थीटा, एक्स इक्वल साइन थीटा लेट करें तो सेम ऐसे इक्वेशन बन जाएगा, और लेट एक्स इक्वल कोस थीटा तो सेकंड मेथड हो जाएगा. तो ये आपके लिए खुद करना है इसको. यस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 इज 9 पाई बाई 8 माइनस 9 बाई 4 साइन इनवर्स 1 बाई 3 इक्वल प्रूव दैट 9 बाई 4 कोस इनवर्स 2 रूट 2 बाई 3. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 9 पाई बाई 8 माइनस 9 बाई 4 साइन इनवर्स 1 बाई 3. देन कॉमन आउट 9 बाई 4, 9 बाई कॉमन लेने के बाद पाई बाई 2 माइनस साइन इनवर्स 1 बाई 3. बट वी नो दैट साइन इनवर्स प्लस कोस इनवर्स इक्वल पाई बाई 2. सो कोस इनवर्स इक्वल पाई बाई 2 माइनस साइन इनवर्स एक्स. तो पाई बाई 2 माइनस साइन इनवर्स एक्स इज cos inverse x. X means 1 by 3, cos inverse 1 by 3. But in right side there is sin inverse. So we have to convert cos inverse in sin inverse. Then how we will convert? Let cos inverse 1 by 3 equal theta. Then cos theta equal 1 by 3. So sin theta equals to root 1 minus cos square theta, that is 1 minus 1 by 3 square 1 by 9. Then simplify this, 9 minus 1, 8 by 9, which is 2 root 2 by 3. So theta equal sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3. Theta equal sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3, or theta means cos inverse 1 by 3. So cos inverse 1 by 3 equal sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3, which is our right hand side. Question number 13. It's an also important question. 2 tan inverse cos x equal tan inverse 2 cosec x. Solve it. Solve it means find the value of x. So left hand side is 2 tan inverse cos x, right hand is 2 tan inverse 2 cosec x. 2 tan inverse cos x. Since 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. It is an identity. So 2 tan inverse x, tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. 2 cosec x. Cosec x means 1 upon sin x. Now tan cancel, 2 cos 1 minus cos square is sin square up equal 2 upon sin x. 2 cancel. साइन टू साइन कैंसिल नहीं करना है यहाँ पे, साइन टू साइन कैंसिल नहीं करना है. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर हम साइन टू साइन कैंसिल कर देंगे तो एक वैल्यू जो है एक्स की वो हम यहाँ पे एलिमिनेट कर चुके होंगे. So we don't cancel sine to sine. So cross multiply sin x into cos x equal sin square x. Then transferring sin square x and common out sin x. Sin x common in but cos x minus sin x equal 0. Either this equal 0 or this equal 0. When sin x equal 0, then x equal 0, or cos x minus sin x equal 0, then sin x equal cos x, or divide by cos x both sides, tan x equal 1, x equal pi by 4. X equal 0 and x equal pi by 4 are principal values, principal solution. And in general, we have to say that sin x equal 0. It means x equal n pi for n belongs to z. In 11th class, we studied about general solution of trigonometric equations. And in case of tan x equal 1, that is tan pi by 4, then x equals to n pi plus minus alpha, that is pi by 4, n belongs to z. This is general solution. This is general solution of this, or this is principal solution. So x equal 0 and pi by 4, or x equal n pi and n pi plus minus pi by 4. Yes, question number 14. 14 is an easy and simple questions, but in this what should we do? Tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x equal half tan inverse x. Find the value of x greater than 0. In left hand side, tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. It is an important part of this question. Since we know that tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy equal tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, this is an identity, and put x equal 1 and y equal x, then it becomes tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, or equal tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x. So this is tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x equal half tan inverse x. This is tan inverse x and this is also tan inverse x. So transfer this in right hand side. Half tan inverse x equal plus tan inverse x. Then adding both 3 by 2 tan inverse x. Now transfer 3 by 2 in this side. 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3. It becomes pi by 6. Tan inverse x equal pi by 6. Then x equal tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 means 1 by root 3. So x equal 1 by root 3. Question number 16 is also an important question. Sine inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sine inverse x equal pi by 2. Then find the value of x. X is what? So let sine inverse x equal theta. It is an important part. Sine inverse x equal theta. Then x equals to sine theta. So we'll put this value in this. Sine inverse 1 minus x means sine theta. Minus 2 sine inverse x. Sine inverse x is theta. So 2 theta equal pi by 2. Now transfer 2 theta in right hand side. Pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Now sine inverse, transferring right side to sine pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Or since we know that sine 90 plus theta is cos theta, that is cos 2 theta. It becomes cos 2 theta. And cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus sine square theta. And 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now 1 is cancelled. 2 sine square theta minus sine theta equal 0. Now common sine theta, 2 sine theta minus 1 equal 0. Either this equal 0 or this equal 0. Sine theta equal 0. 2 sine theta minus 1 equal 0. From this sine theta is 1 by 2. And sine theta is x. Sine theta is x. So x equal 0 or x equal 1 by 2. So this is solution of this x equal 0 and x equal 1 by 2. Now we check these two answers, these two values satisfied or not satisfied the given question. When we will put x equal 0, x equal 0, sine inverse 1 minus 0 minus 2 sine inverse 0. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 and sine inverse 0 is 0 equal pi by 2. It means 0 satisfied. Now we will put x equal half. Then it becomes sine inverse 1 minus half minus 2 sine inverse half. Sine inverse 1 minus half is sine inverse half minus 2 sine inverse half. ये बचेगा minus sine inverse half. Minus sine inverse half means minus pi by 6, which is not equal to pi by 2. It means 1 by 2 does not satisfy the given question. 1 by 2 does not satisfy the given question. So only x equal 0 is the answer. so only x equal 0. Then we can write, since x equal 1 by 2 does not satisfy the question, so x equal 0, only x equal 0. Yes, now question number 70. It is our last question and simple question, but we have to be careful. Tan inverse x upon y minus tan inverse x minus y upon x plus y is equals to, here x upon y, so we will divide in this by y in numerator and denominator. Divide by y, x upon y minus 1, x upon y plus 1, it becomes x upon y minus 1, x upon y plus 1. Then tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy, this form can be tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy, that is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. It means tan inverse x upon y minus tan inverse 1. Tan inverse x upon y minus tan inverse 1. Then minus मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, दिस इज कैंसिल एंड ओनली tan inverse 1 रिमेनिंग. tan inverse 1 is 5/4, so आंसर इज 5/4. तो ये अपना एक्सरसाइज मिसलेनियस कंप्लीट हो गया. इसमें जो भी क्वेश्चन हमने छोड़े हैं वो इजी क्वेश्चन है. अगर फिर भी आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन टफ लगे तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए, आपको उसका सॉल्यूशन कमेंट बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. थैंक यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट, और अच्छे से तैयारी करो एंड